BodyBreak with Hal Johnson and Joanne McLeod.
One of the best things you can do for yourself is to get out and enjoy nature. Another is to increase fiber in your diet. More fiber may help reduce the risk for certain cancers, improve your digestive system, and makes you feel fuller longer. That's why one of my favorite snacks is a bran muffin.
However, all muffins aren't created equal. Some bran muffins can have as much fat, sugar, and calories as a chocolate glazed donut. But I have a raisin bran muffin recipe that's high in fiber, low in fat, and tastes great. Pour boiling water over 100% bran cereal, raisins, and margarine, or you can use butter. Then let cool. Add an egg, skim milk, and honey. In another bowl, combine all-purpose and whole wheat flours, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt. Stir in the cereal mixture just until blended. Bake in a non-stick muffin tin for 20 to 25 minutes in a 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven. This recipe makes 12 large muffins. Each contains 11.8 grams of fiber. Baking does take a little more time and effort, but the results are well worth it. So until next time, keep fit and have fun.
You know, these are pretty good. You usually burn them.
BodyBreak